let's hope I have it. They seem acting like they don't. You have to make reservations, so we made one yesterday, so that might be part of the issue as well. Piper's out the back window. We're in site 62. It's right in the cul-de-sac, so it's a very easy back-in spot. Always look out when someone cancels. Yeah, it's nice. I like it too.
Better get the Jeep out of the road.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a full house here, and there's really not many people here right now, so should have lots of action later on. People backing in. Gotta love that part. What you looking at, guy? Not very good at this. Every time. It's too close. There you go, good boy. Always begging for pets. How's that table working out for you?
Working great. I'm looking at our GoPro video that we recorded.
Nice to have them struts.
Yeah, these struts are nice, and people were asking about them. Pause that. These struts are, let's see, we'll put the information in the description. They're LaVanture products out of Elkhart, Indiana. Imagine that. The part number is LGP6-150-20. They're 15 inches expanded. And really all you do is just, zip 3 screws in there. And you got 3 in here. Just, right in this steel part. They go in really easy.
And that's it.
Yeah, and we didn't, we don't have any video of them being put in, but finished product. Well,
yeah, and they actually work out really well because you can shut the door with a lot of ease too.
Oh yeah, yeah. The last number here, where it says -20, that's the pressure. Okay. And 20 is kind of on the low side, but you can see it's enough to hold the door open and we can use it as a table.
A couple of things. This gentleman is having some problems trying to back in. Mike decided to walk over just to see if he needed any assistance. Always nice to help. He's been trying for maybe 10 minutes. Pulled up, backed up, maybe, 50 times. No, Mike's doing it for him. First try, backed it right in. He's all kinds of helpful today.
She's so happy I'm back.
Yeah, he was gone for a total of 2 minutes.
That was easy. It was so easy. He asked me what the secret was, and I said, I'm not turning the wheel more than halfway. He goes, oh, I was turning it as far as it would go, so yeah, could be a problem.
Yeah.
But it was easy. I just went slow and small turns and no pull-ups.
Yeah, went right in, and I'm sure they were like, how did you do that?
Yeah, they said it was amazing.
Did you hear that, Kenny? It was amazing. That's just
unbelievable. We have a tons of money.
Mm-hmm. And awesome.
I need to start a valet campground parking service. $5.
I was gonna say 20, but okay, we'll go with that. Had this bad boy for a good 6+ years, and it's done a very good job. It has a couple of battle wounds, you know, from
Yeah,
campfires.
from fire.
And like these are broken, so they don't stay up anymore in both arms.
Yeah, and right there,
Yeah,
that's all.
worn down.
Yeah, ripped
About ready
apart.
to fall through there.
It's been everywhere with us, so.
Yeah. And as you've seen from our videos, the dogs really love the chairs. So
now,
this is going to be the dog chair
why is that?
because we did a small thing, way smaller than our normal things, but got ourselves a new camp chair. And we have not opened it, haven't looked at it, haven't sat in it, nothing. We figured we'd do a complete little show you what's up, at the same time we see what's up.
And how much was this new chair?
It was $106 with tax, and
Oh.
it is also brand Kelty.
I want to say that our old chair cost about the same, but I
Yeah,
don't remember now.
it was, yeah, probably something very similar. It's the same brand, and we got it at Fin Feather Fur, so picked it up right in our local area.
So exciting. Ooh, it's blue.
Yep. Very nice cover.
Which we'll never use again.
It says that you can use it for like hauling other chairs or firewood or blankets or other camping stuff. So that's kind of cool. So let's see here.
You know that's going to be the dog chair, and the one behind it will be ours.
I wouldn't doubt it. One thing that's different is this one had Mike's candy wrappers, of course. That's how you know where Mike is.
Don't
There's candy
judge me.
wrappers. It would have a separate 2 slots, one for your cup, and then I would put like my cell phone or something else there. And it also had beer bottle openers. And this is just one large kind of a rectangle. Oh, never mind.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. It pops right out. Okay. Okay. We're learning. We're learning.
Didn't think a chair would be this fancy.
But there are no, you know, bottle openers, as you can
Yeah,
see.
that's all right.
Pretty cozy. I like it.
No,
Guy's checking it out.
He's already going for it.
He is.
Don't
Guy,
even think about it.
No. Like, you gotta let Mikey sit in it first.
Don't even think about it, Guy. There's Piper.
She can't reach. She's jealous.
Yeah. I don't ever recommend that you do an RV modification while you're out camping. You should always do it at home before you go camping, but I don't always heed my own advice.
We also like to live dangerously.
Oh, very dangerously. So I'm going to go ahead and install this new bathroom faucet. That's much nicer.
Yeah.
And look how high this the neck is. That's why we bought it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with our current faucet. It's just easier to get your hands under to wash your hands, I guess, shave, stuff like that. And it is, you know, metal, so
Nicer.
yeah. It works. Like I said, there's nothing physically wrong with it. It's a fine faucet. This one's way nicer. This is why we got the new faucet. I mean, look at the height difference. I set them side by side. That is why. Because the height of the one on the right, the new one, it's going to be so much easier to wash my hands.
Yeah. And it'll be nice that it'll be real material, and we have plenty of room left in our weight to add the extra half an ounce.
Right, and the point is here that you don't need an RV specific faucet.
Yeah, you don't need to go to Camping World and get another plastic one.
No. I mean, plastic, it works, yes. Saves weight, yes. Residential, much nicer. It's done.
Yay.
Super easy.
And it works.
Yeah.
That's the best part of it.
So much room to wash my hands and things of that nature.
So how would you rate this project? Was it easy? Can anyone do it? Do you need to have some mechanical abilities?
it was easy. The hardest part was just reaching up under behind the sink to get the PEX connections loose and then tighten them up again.
Okay.
Oh, that was easy. It was a direct swap.
Yeah. So that really helps. Just we recommend looking at your faucet before you buy one that you currently have in your RV, just to make sure that the one you buy has the same amount of holes and everything like that.
Yeah, this had 2 holes because it's got the 2 handles. So if you want to make it a direct swap, get a new faucet that is for 2 holes. Another thing I want to mention is, see how you get this smooth flow of water?
Wait, and listen.
I don't know if you can hear that on the camera or not, but one of our favorite modifications, something I didn't do video of, is when we had the Airstream, I changed out the water pump with an AquaJet 55A. Did the same thing here because now I know Fit Choice says do the noise, because
yeah.
I imitated the water pump. It was rah, rah,
and it's very good imitation.
Now this one doesn't do that. This is a variable speed water pump. So if you need just a little bit of water, it runs the pump slow, which is not even running yet.
Right.
But you notice there's no pulsing, nothing. It's a very, very smooth flow, and you get 65 PSI through this pump.
Steady stream. And that helps with everything. It feels so natural.
Yeah.
When we first got the Wraith and it didn't have it for like a day, it was like, holy crap, we need.
I could not stick with the stock pump. It came out. It had to go.
Almost immediately. It was like day 1 or 2.
This pump, I think it was around $200. I think.
I think so.
Anyways, we'll put a link to it in the description if you guys want one. I highly recommend that pump.
Yeah, we'll probably always have one in every RV we ever own from here on out.
It's kind of ridiculous.
They are loving it though.
Yeah, we got ourselves a fire. It's been a lazy day.
Yeah, it's been a lazy day, but it's been very relaxing, very quiet and low key, very chill. Great weekend.
We really didn't do anything. We did some Jeep things.
We did.
And we got lunch.
Yep.
And then it's been this.
Yeah, we've just kind of been hanging out, sitting around, listening to the music, hanging out with the dogs, met a couple of subscribers, and had a great day.
Yeah, I think it was, what, maybe 4 people stopped by?
Yeah. So, thanks everyone for stopping by. You know, we love it when you stop by.
Yeah, we always tell people, if you notice us, stop and say hi.
Because you know us, but
we don't know you. So in a little bit here, we're just waiting for the sun to go down, and then we're going to take the dogs for a night walk.
Yeah, love the night walks. Yesterday we took a walk, but it was still like a little bit darker than this, but it was still daylight out, and it's just not the same. So we need to do a dark night walk.
Yeah, we want it to be dark, and the dogs love it. It's their favorite thing.
And it really wears them out, and then they sleep excellent. Another one in the books, and we are out of there.
What a short weekend.
Yeah, it did feel short, but we didn't really do... It was like we were either doing a whole lot or doing absolutely nothing. So it was a good mixture. We were at Maumee Bay State Park in Oregon, Ohio. We wanted to make sure that you guys knew that they have one row that's currently blocked off that they have upgraded to 50 amp full hookup. It's not open yet, but it will be soon. Everything's done. I actually don't know why it's not open, but it will be soon. So with that being said, we'll catch you guys later. See ya.